Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm taking a look at a brand new Series 2 Rainbow High doll. After reviewing Amaya, River, and Stella, it's finally Krystal's turn to be unboxed and restyled. If you like the Rainbow High videos I've been posting, make sure you're subscribed to me because that helps my channel out a lot. Just like the other dolls, Krystal Bailey comes in this stunning window style box that we're used to for the Rainbow High dolls. It gives you a very good look at the doll, the second outfit, and the extra shoes as well. For the Series 2 dolls, there's also an extra sticker that tells you about the animated series on YouTube. And so far, Krystal hasn't been spotted just yet, so I'm really curious to see what her part will be. I've heard some theories that since she is the journalist of Rainbow High, she might be the one that caught Bella and got her kicked out of Rainbow High. On the bottom of the box, it shows you the characters in the series. And on the back, it shows you their full artwork, including the art for Krystal Bailey. And one really interesting thing I noticed is that the shoes Krystal is wearing in the artwork are the second pair of shoes she comes with, whereas the others usually wear their first pair of shoes in the artwork as well. On the top of the box, we have the golden Rainbow High logo, and on the bottom it says "Welcome to Rainbow High," the colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama. To unbox the doll, as always, I cut away the tape on the side, top, and bottom of the box, which lets you fold open the back to show you the doll itself, and the second compartment that shows the second outfit this doll comes with. On the back of that second compartment, you'll find the doll stand. That is a nice dark purple color for Krystal. She also comes with some clothing hangers that are also purple. After getting the doll out of the box, she was so stunning right away. The hair did come a little messy from the box, with 3 curls that are gelled in place, but you can already see a lot of different shades of dark blue and purple in the hair. As an accessory, Krystal is wearing a headband with a molded bow on it, and for her face, she has some brown eyebrows, purple, white, and blue eyeshadow, and pink lipstick. I did notice that my doll had a little black dot on her nose, which kinda looks like a freckle. I really love the purple denim jacket Krystal is wearing, with bow detailing on the sleeves, as well as a cutout on the elbow. The jacket also has some faux pockets on the front and some studs to represent buttons. You can remove the jacket to show her see-through pearlescent t-shirt, and underneath that, she's wearing a metallic silver bandeau. This was also the moment I noticed that her upper arm was discolored and had some strange scratching, which I'll talk more about in a bit. Krystal's nails are painted dark purple, which is a really cute added detail. Then she's wearing a dark purple leather skirt that has a bunch of zipper details on it. For the shoes, the doll comes with these dark purple, silver, and black heels, with tassels on the sides. They even have this detail where one of the shoes has an R on it and the other one has an H, for a rainbow hide. On my specific doll, her shoe had this weird white stain on it that I also couldn't remove. Because of this, the discoloration on the arm and the mark on the face, I did decide to reach out to the customer service from MGA. I sent them some pictures and explained the situation of my doll, and they were nice enough to send me a replacement Krystal Bailey doll that is in perfect condition. Her face is looking really good, and the hair has much less gel in it. After checking the body, I can happily confirm that that is perfect too. This does give me 2 Krystal Baileys right now, so I'm thinking of giving the one with the defect arm and dot on the nose a complete makeover in a future video. If you have any fun hairstyle or hair color ideas, be sure to let me know in the comments. And now, let's get back to the rest of the video. Because I wanted to wash out the gel from the doll's hair, I cut away the thread that was holding the headpiece in place. This also gives you a good look at the way you can take off the bow to let her just wear it as a regular headband. Then after dressing the doll in a shirt I don't mind getting wet, I simply started rinsing the hair with water. During this step, I made sure to keep the parting neat and massage the hair around the roots as well, because that had a lot of gel in it too. When I feel like most of the hair gel is loosened up, I take the doll's brush and start brushing out the hair. I usually do experience some shedding when I brush these dolls' hair for the first time, but that's not something to worry about too much. What I also noticed while washing the hair is that the hairline in the back actually comes down to a V, which is very nice when you want to have the doll wear a high ponytail. With the hair all washed out, you can see that Krystal still had quite some wave in her hair, which I think looks really pretty. Now that the doll is all cleaned up, it's time to take a look at the second outfit, which includes this sparkly dark purple jacket that has silver stars on it, as well as some very nice zipper and buckle details. There's this sparkly silver bralette that velcros in the back, and one of my favorite items Krystal comes with are these purple denim jeans. They have these cutouts at the knee and zipper detail below that, which is a really fun addition. The jeans also have functioning pockets in both the front and the back, as well as real working belt loops, so you can add one of the belts from previous dolls. To wear underneath those jeans, she has a simple pair of black fishnet tights. Dressed in that second outfit, Krystal looks so cool. The second pair of shoes has these clocks on the straps, which I love so much. I really love how well MGA carried out the purple and silver color combination on this doll in both the first and second outfit. Personally, I do love this look even better when you combine the denim jacket with the denim jeans to create this look. Underneath the jacket, I had her wear that sparkly t-shirt, but you could also use that bralette with it. Then I actually also decided to give this doll another hair makeover by wrapping it around the smallest straws I could find. It did take me about 2 hours to finish wrapping all of the hair, so I really hope you like the results. At first these curls did look a little funny, but after splitting all of the curls into 2 separate pieces, you get this voluminous head of hair, which I think works perfect for Krystal. really hope you liked this review and restyle for Krystal Bailey. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more upcoming Rainbow High videos. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of makeover you want to see for my double Krystal doll, and I might try to do my very first Rainbow High reroute soon. And then to see more pictures of my dolls, follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!